In this activity, we're going to investigate the magnetic field of conductors. The small diagram in the bottom left panel shows a wire passing through a piece of paper. The current in this wire can be turned on and off, changed in size, and reversed. The main diagram shows an overhead view of the piece of paper. This circle in the center of the paper represents a cross-section through the wire. Now let's drag the current slider at the top of the screen one notch to the right towards the positive end. Look at the small diagram at the bottom left panel. What happens to the wire? Exactly! An upward current is shown. What can you see in the circle on the paper? Yes, there's a dot in the center to show an upward current. Now let's drag the current slider one notch to the left of the central zero position. What happens in the small diagram? Yes, the current is now flowing downwards. And what happens to the dot on the paper? Yes, it changes to a cross to show a downward current. You are now seeing the tail of the current arrow. Let's show the field lines. They are of circular shape. Let's reverse the current so it becomes positive, and notice the reversal of the field lines. A straight wire carrying an electric current has a magnetic field associated with it, and the magnetic field forms a pattern of circular lines. If the current is reversed, circular lines of force goes in the opposite direction.